case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a pivotal case, Meritor Savings Bank v. Vinson, which centered around workplace sexual harassment and employer liability. Mechelle Vinson, a former employee of Meritor Savings Bank, accused her supervisor, Sidney Taylor, of sexually harassing her over a 4-year period. Vinson alleged that her supervisor made unwarranted sexual advances, including rape, during and outside business hours. The U.S. Court of Appeals ruled that employers were responsible for sexual harassment committed by supervisors, even if they were unaware of the situation, and that Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 forbids advances that create a hostile work environment. The Supreme Court agreed with the Court of Appeals' decision, but for different reasons. The court highlighted that Vinson's promotion during her time at the bank was based on merit. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled that employers may not always be liable for sexual harassment by supervisors, even if they were unaware of the harassment. The court noted that the restatement, second of agency, could guide courts in determining the appropriate standard for holding an employer accountable. Furthermore, the court emphasized the importance of considering employers' policy and grievance procedures, though these factors were not necessarily definitive. The Supreme Court found hostile environment sex discrimination claims actionable under Title VII and rejected the imposition of absolute liability on employers for acts committed by their supervisors. The court ultimately affirmed the Court of Appeals' reversal of the lower court's decision and remanded the case for further proceedings, emphasizing the need to consider agency principles in each case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.